Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. So as mentioned, if you watched my previous video, I want to do a series here where I kind of do different tutorials on Canva on how to create different things, whether it be a media kit or a birthday invitation, even an Instagram post or a highlight. So I want to do a few of those things, but I want to break them up into mini series. So the video isn't long doing each one. So today I want to do specifically in the templates, I want to actually create a just generic birthday invitation. August is my birthday month, so I figured I'd start with a birthday invitation. So why don't we go ahead and jump right in. So right now I'm already logged to Canva. As mentioned in my previous video, I'll put a link in the video somewhere here if you'd like to click out and kind of know a little bit more about Canva. I kind of do just a brief intro. But today we're going to go create a birthday invitation. So I'm going to go into the search bar here under templates and type in birthday invitations. All right, so I'm going to select that from the drop down. Perfect. So as I scroll through the list, you can actually start from any pre-designed template that's provided here. And so I want to try to pick something out that kind of fits my personality. So I want to do, let's start with this one here. When you find a template that you like from the list, and I could be scrolling forever, I'll usually pick something out, and then once you do that, click on the use this template, and let's see what we get here. Perfect. Once you've got the template on your screen, this really is kind of your edit screen. I'm going to simply start replacing the text or updating the text with excuse me, with my information. So I want to put Stephanie. I'll just leave my last name out. Let's just put Stephanie's. I'll just put Stephanie birthday. And I can adjust the font size, so I don't really need it that big. So Stephanie's birthday. Come join in the fun. Since I live here in Las Vegas, let me just put Las Vegas just for the sake of this example. Las Vegas Strip for her. And I'll zoom in a little bit so you guys can see what I'm typing here. I'll put for her. So I can relive. I'll put for her 21st birthday. What better way to have than to have a 21st birthday right here in Las Vegas? And I'll put Saturday, August 4th, 2018. Address, I'll just put whatever. Just to kind of RSVP. I'll make the text a little bit bigger just so people can see. RSVP. I'll put RSVP with Sarah. One. Okay. Oops. All right. So that was easy. Like if you're not really a creative person and you just want to get something that's at least nice out there that you can circulate amongst friends and family, this is an easy way to go because I can simply download this as a picture, send it to my friends via text, or I can actually create it on a Facebook invite or however you want to do it, because basically this saves as a picture, or you can actually have it save as a PDF file if you want to distribute it through like an email distribution of some sort. But at the bare minimum, this is what you can do. Now, if you want to get a little bit more advanced and a little bit more creative, like I can certainly modify the background. So let's just say I didn't like the pink and I wanted more of a teal. as you can see, I was able to update the teal pretty quickly. And I can also change from kind of this beige color to a more white background. So here you go. Like, this can also be an invitation that can be easily modified if you don't like the background. So don't feel like you're um, completely locked down to just using the color scheme that you're being offered. We could easily do the same thing with the text by obviously clicking on the text box that you want updated, and then you have a plethora of different color options to select from. And even if you didn't like some of the colors here, you can actually add other variations of colors if you want to use kind of that color wheel. So that is also another benefit when you're in this edit mode. In addition to that, you can update the font sizes, the font types, you can create spacing. There's so much that this tool can offer when you're creating, your birthday invitation. Another thing is adding elements. So you can certainly add in different shapes. You can add in lines. I won't go through all of this, but there's certainly a lot for you to work with. Anything that says free with the crown, you can use without even having to pay additional services. If you see something that doesn't have the crown and it looks like it has like a pocket of gold coins, that usually forces you to pay for the template or the picture or whatever that item is that you want to have integrated into your invitation. So just food for thought if you've never used Canva before. You can also upload photos. You can put some photos that you have on your PC or your phone on Canva. So that's another great option. So you can certainly drop in like a picture of your kids if it's your kid's birthday. So again, so much that you can do with this wonderful website. I'm gonna sit here and stop and then save it. So I'll show you what I do to save. So if I'm taking this and saving it as a PNG, you would hit download. Right now it's saving it as, or at least selecting by default, the PDF. I don't want it as a PDF. I want to save it as a PNG file. I want to hit download. It'll take a second to process. And once that's done, it goes into my downloads folder on my PC, and usually it'll pop up the preview. All right, so here it is. Here is what the invitation looks like. It saved obviously the file here, so that's the file name, but this is what it would look like, and I could again easily circulate this with friends and family. If you like these types of videos, definitely hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, would love for you to subscribe. If you have any special requests, leave those in the comments. I would be more than happy to do any special request in the Canva site. Otherwise, I hope you guys are doing well, and we'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!